Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to use conversion view in your laptop. So now it is a feature that groups all emails with the same subject into a single thread. So instead of seeing each message individually, you see one continuous conversation. So it keeps your inbox organized, make it easy to follow the flow of a discussion and reduces cluster, especially when there are multiple replies, right? So what you're gonna do is go to the settings area besides that question mark on right hand side upper icons, and now tap on general. Below settings it is mentioned, slide down until you see option of conversion view. Now you have to turn it off, right? It is also mentioned that it sets whether emails of the same topics are grouped together or not. So we tap on conversion view off, the blue dot is besides that option. Now we save the changes, sliding down and tap on save changes, and now see. Now you can see that the conversations are threaded now, but let's turn it off now. Emails will appear individually in my inbox, right? So that's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!